Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Rabby Wallet tutorial. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we have the Rabby Wallet application opened. We have just installed it, and from here you're going to simply click on create new wallet. Once you do that, it's going to generate you a brand new address that is going to be completely yours for all your inventory. From here, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to tell you to create a brand new password and then confirm it. And you have the option to use your fingerprint every time you log in for the application. Once you have done with the password, click on continue. And then from here, you can either do a manual backup or a Google Drive backup for the seed phrase. The seed phrase is something that you have written either on a piece of paper or as you can see right here on the Google Drive, and this will help you recover your account in case you forget your password or in case you log in from another device for security measures. Once you enter your password, click on confirm, and then from here it's going to encrypt it with the app password. Once you have chosen whichever Google account you would like to use and click on continue to further appreciate it, then from here click on continue and tick the last box. And just like that, you have now successfully created your wallet. Once you click on done, now you have full access to the application with your wallet set. And as you can see, you currently have one single wallet and you can create multiple under the same account. And from here, if you would like to receive some cryptocurrencies to your new wallet address, simply click on receive and then select this wallet address, copy it, and then from here you can select it to any other application to receive it. And you can send your cryptocurrencies from the click on send, and from here you're going to add any address you would like. Also, you're going to swap if you would like to swap between any other currency. You have Ethereum and anything else such as Bitcoin, Welsh, USDT, or anything else. And that's pretty much it. That's the full legit access. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.